Hello and welcome back. Today's recipe is a very healthy one. Sorakai Lauki Idli. This is a 2-in-1 recipe. Preparation with both rice and millet options have been shown here. These are the ingredients. And this is the method of preparation. For the preparation, you will need Sorakai, Lauki or Bottlegourd. Cut the ends of the Bottlegourd. This is a country variety of Bottlegourd. The benefits of Bottlegourd are many. It aids in weight loss, is easy to digest, helps in controlling blood pressure, and helps to manage diabetes. Remove the spongy portion from inside. Grate the Bottlegourd. If it is tender, you can grate it with the skin. Set it aside. Pound the whole black pepper into a coarse powder. Chop the green chillies fine. Scrape the skin off the ginger and chop it fine. Chop the curry leaves fine. Wash and chop the coriander leaves. Now all the ingredients for the preparation are ready. Rice rava is a light colored one and the little millet rava is darker colored. Switch on the stove. Roast 1 cup rice rava in 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee on a medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Transfer to a bowl and allow it to cool. Repeat the same process for millet rava. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee, add 1 cup of millet rava and fry until the grains separate. Transfer to a bowl and allow it to cool. Let's do the preparation for rice idli first. To 1 cup of roasted rice rava, add 1.5 cups of grated Bottlegourd, 1 cup of curd, 2 tablespoons of grated coconut, half a teaspoon coarsely powdered black pepper, a handful of chopped coriander leaves, one teaspoon of Indupu or Himalayan rock salt. Mix everything well. Set this aside for 2 to 3 hours. Now for the millet idlis, repeat the same procedure as the rice idlis. To 1 cup of roasted little millet rava, add 1.5 cups of grated Bottlegourd, 1 cup of curd, half a teaspoon coarsely powdered black pepper, 2 tablespoons of grated coconut, a handful of chopped coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon of Indupu or Himalayan rock salt. Mix everything well and allow it to rest for at least 4 hours. The millet fibers need more time to soak through and through. The more the soaking time, the better the digestion of millets. To season, heat a ladle, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds start sputtering, add chopped green chillies, and chopped ginger. Fry for a minute. Add the curry leaves and switch off the stove. Add this to the rice rava lauki mix. Stir well. Check the consistency. Add water if required. The consistency should neither be too thick nor watery. Repeat the same process for the Little Millet Idli. Little millet, samai, kutki is rich in magnesium, so helps improve heart health. To prepare the idlis, heat the idli pan with water. Add water if required. Pour the little millet Sorakai Lauki batter into the idli molds. Once the water starts boiling, place them in the idli pan. Place the idli mold with rice rava Sorakai Lauki batter. Close the lid and steam for 10 to 15 minutes or until done. You can see that the rice rava batter is more whitish as compared to the little millet batter. Here are our steaming hot rice idlis. Now for the little millet samai kutki idlis. The idlis can be had with chutney, sambar or any accompaniment of your choice. Did you like this healthy 2-in-1 recipe? Do drop a comment below. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Have a great day.